Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or night. I'm back with another work from home opportunity that I think you'll love. This one is for those of you who have experience with teaching and tutoring. It's from a company called Book Nook. They're closing the early learning gap for kids in grades K through 8 by pairing them with dedicated tutors with proven technology to teach the reading and math skills needed to succeed. They're looking for passionate and equity-minded educators to join their tutoring community as independent contractors. You'll be working directly with students in live online tutoring sessions where you'll be teaching reading or math to groups of 1 to 4 students. BookNook will provide the learning platform and curriculum that'll guide you through lessons, and it'll also show each student's performance in real time. If you're passionate about working with all kinds of learners, can approach challenges with a growth mindset, can empower students to build to their strengths, and you're inspired by BookNook's mission and purpose, then this may be the role for you. You must meet at least one of these minimum requirements: 3+ years of teaching or tutoring, 1 year of teaching or tutoring and a bachelor's degree, 1 year of teaching or tutoring and currently enrolled in a teaching credential program. You must also be a current U.S. citizen or permanent resident with eligibility to work in the U.S. They're unable to consider individuals that require sponsorship for a U.S. work visa. The pay ranges from $15 to $22 per hour with opportunities for bonuses. The application process is also included here. I'll leave the link in the description below if you're interested in reading more about the responsibilities and requirements and applying. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.